How to turn off triple click on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off triple click on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off triple click on iPhone, just go ahead and launch settings and then just scroll down to the accessibility tab here. Once you go to accessibility, you will see this sort of information where you just need to scroll down again and you'll find the option known as accessibility shortcut. Tap on it. Now right here you can see triple click the side button for. Now by default it's set to guided access and other ones. Now if you want to turn this thing off, you can just tap on it in order to remove them, and these are going to get basically removed. Now the guided access cannot be removed because that's the basic shortcut for it, but when you triple click on it, if you want to turn off other ones, if it is checked, just try to uncheck those and see if that helps you solve the problem. This way you can turn off triple click on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.